Welcome back to the Senior Health Podcast. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that affects nearly 1 in 3 seniors, but is often dismissed as a normal part of aging: nerve and joint problems. We're talking about those tingling hands, that feeling of weakness in your legs, or the stiffness that makes getting out of bed a struggle. While most people assume this is just part of getting older, the truth is, it could be a silent sign of a surprising culprit: collagen loss. According to a 2023 National Institutes of Health review, collagen production naturally declines by 1% per year after age 50. But that rate can triple due to inflammation, a poor diet, or certain medications. This decline can lead to nerve damage and joint issues that rob millions of adults over 60 of their mobility and independence. The most frustrating part? Many seniors are never told that their symptoms could be coming from something as simple and fixable as what's missing from their plate. That's why we're so excited to have Dr. Eleanor Vance with us today. She's a seasoned expert who has spent her career helping seniors understand the overlooked connection between nutrition and mobility. Dr. Vance has witnessed firsthand how a simple shift in diet can lead to profound healing, and she's here to share her wisdom with us. So, why do so many people accept weakness, numbness, or stiffness when their body is simply undernourished? Because they've been told it's normal. That belief keeps them stuck, treating symptoms instead of rebuilding what their body's missing. These symptoms are real, but far too often, they're misdiagnosed or dismissed. A senior says their hands are tingling or their legs feel like jelly, and they're told to wait and see or take painkillers. No one checks if the nerves and joints are even being supported properly. But today's episode is different. We're going to walk you through 8 collagen-rich snacks that support nerve function, joint repair, and muscle strength, all backed by science and made from foods you already recognize. These are simple healing options that can be added to your daily life without pills or complex treatments. By the end of this episode, you'll understand not just what to eat, but why it works. Pain, tingling, and weakness aren't just problems, they're messages. And if we only silence the message without fixing the cause, the damage quietly continues. Most people don't connect collagen with mobility or those strange tingling sensations. And yet, it's one of the most fundamental components for nerve insulation and tissue repair. When it breaks down faster than it's rebuilt, symptoms start showing up, often in places we least expect. We're told it's arthritis, poor circulation, or just aging. But if we're treating the wrong issue, we lose precious time. We chase creams and medications, or worse, start limiting our movement, which only accelerates our decline. That's why this approach, through food and understanding, is such a critical shift. So, let's dive into these 8 incredible foods that are not only healing, but also delicious and practical. 1. Dark chocolate. The first one might surprise you because it feels too indulgent to be medicinal. Dark chocolate. We're talking about real dark chocolate with 80% cacao or more. It's loaded with flavonols that stimulate stem cell activity, lower inflammation, and help your body regenerate collagen naturally. Wait, chocolate actually helps rebuild collagen? That's going to change how a lot of people see their evening snack. But it has to be the right kind, low in sugar, high in cacao, and ideally paired with ingredients like almonds and goji berries. Those additions bring in amino acids and vitamin C, which your body needs to turn that chocolate into real repair. It's not about depriving yourself, it's about being strategic. You're taking a food you already enjoy and tweaking it to nourish deeper systems, your joints, nerves, and energy. And in doing that, you're restoring confidence in your body again. 2. Gelatin. Next on the list is something most people overlook entirely: gelatin. Not the sugary dessert, but real unflavored gelatin made from collagen-rich animal tissue. When paired with antioxidant-rich fruit juice, It becomes a snack that's not only gentle on the stomach but also powerful for joint healing and nerve support. While it seems so simple, studies show it can reduce joint pain by over 30% when consumed before light exercise. It delivers the exact amino acids, like glycine and proline, that your body uses to rebuild worn-down tissues. This tiny, wobbly snack can actually help you walk with less pain, reducing that dull ache in your knees or stiffness in your fingers, not by numbing the pain, but by repairing what's broken. 3. Chicken bone broth. This next one is older than any supplement on the shelf. Chicken bone broth. When simmered slowly, it releases collagen, glycine, and proline, which are critical for repairing connective tissue and soothing irritated nerves. Just half a cup a day can begin restoring joint fluidity and easing those pins and needles sensations in your hands. This isn't just comfort food. It's functional medicine straight from the kitchen. The secret. A splash of vinegar helps pull the minerals and collagen out of the bones, making them easier for your body to absorb. The result is a rich, gel-like broth that signals healing at the cellular level. Taken consistently, it nourishes the tissue linings around nerves and joints, areas that are often starved in the aging body. Over time, that means better movement, less friction, and fewer of those strange, hard-to-describe sensations in your limbs. And bonus, the amino acids in bone broth also calm the gut lining, which lowers systemic inflammation, a hidden driver of both joint pain and neuropathy. This is why Dr. Vance often says that true healing doesn't begin in the pharmacy. It begins with the broth pot. 4. Cantaloupe with mint and lime. Looking for something brighter and more hydrating? Look no further than cantaloupe with mint and lime. Just 1 cup of cantaloupe gives you over 60% of your daily vitamin C, which is essential for collagen synthesis. Paired with lime and pistachios, it becomes a hydrating, anti-inflammatory snack that supports both joints and circulation. Healing doesn't have to be bitter or boring. This snack cools the body, supports connective tissue, and helps reduce that morning stiffness that many seniors face. The pistachios aren't just for flavor. They're rich in healthy fats, fiber, and protein, all of which reduce inflammation and help your body absorb vitamin C more effectively. It's a microdose of mobility support, helping your knees feel looser, your hands less puffy, and your body more awake. 5. Warm tomato dish. Most people eat tomatoes raw, which is fine, but lightly warming or cooking them actually increases their lycopene absorption, a key antioxidant that protects existing collagen. When you pair that with vitamin C and healthy fats, it becomes a snack that supports both tissue repair and nerve stability. A simple Capri-style dish with warm tomato slices, fresh mozzarella or avocado, drizzled with olive oil and a few basil leaves, is elegant yet deeply therapeutic. The olive oil isn't just for taste, it helps your body absorb fat-soluble antioxidants like lycopene far more effectively. Warm foods often calm the digestive system and increase circulation, which improves nutrient delivery to joints and nerves. A dish like this, warm and simple, meets your body where it's struggling most. 6. Guava and Greek yogurt. For a tropical treat that packs a serious punch, try guava. It's one of the richest sources of vitamin C on the planet, far beyond oranges or even strawberries. Just 100 grams of guava delivers over 200 milligrams of vitamin C, which your body absolutely needs to begin producing collagen. Pair it with Greek yogurt to add protein and create a healing, restorative bowl. This combination addresses multiple systems at once. The yogurt brings in amino acids to support collagen production, while the guava boosts immune resilience and tissue regeneration. Often, within weeks, people report less morning stiffness, steadier hands, and improvements in balance and coordination. It's a gentle, digestion-friendly snack that also helps stabilize blood sugar, making it especially important for anyone managing prediabetes or metabolic issues. 7. Kiwi and nuts. If you want something a bit tangier with a satisfying crunch, reach for Kiwi. It's tart, bright, and incredibly dense in vitamin C. Just 2 to 3 kiwis a day can dramatically increase collagen production. More importantly for seniors, kiwi supports nerve conductivity, which is key for reducing that tingling or pins and needles sensation. When paired with nuts like almonds or walnuts, it becomes a quick snack that supports both regeneration and nerve signaling. The soft texture of kiwi is gentle on sensitive mouths, but when topped with crushed nuts, it stimulates chewing, digestion, and even blood flow. And for those who enjoy bolder flavors, a pinch of chili flakes or sea salt can enhance circulation and give a mild thermogenic effect, helping with nutrient delivery. A small tweak in seasoning can elevate how your body absorbs and uses these nutrients. 8. Pineapple with cinnamon and nuts. Our final food is something sweet, enzyme-rich, and known to ease both inflammation and digestion: pineapple. What makes it unique is bromelain, a natural enzyme that reduces inflammation deep in the tissues. Combine that with its high vitamin C content, and it becomes a powerful ally for seniors dealing with nerve pain, stiffness, or slow recovery. When paired with nuts like cashews or macadamia, you get protein and healthy fats that help rebuild damaged tissue, while the bromelain calms the inflammation that's been preventing healing. A sprinkle of cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar, and fresh mint can soothe digestion. Together, they turn this snack into something that works across systems: joints, nerves, gut, and even mood. So, what kind of change can someone realistically expect? And how fast? If you add just one of these snacks a day and do it consistently, your body will begin to respond. Not overnight, but gradually, steadily, and meaningfully. The tingling fades. The joints loosen. The legs feel more grounded. You're not masking symptoms. You're rebuilding the foundation. We're not telling you to overhaul your entire life. We're inviting you to rethink the small things you already do every day, and if the payoff is more stability, more sensation, and more independence, that's a trade worth making. Dr. Vance leaves us with this simple, powerful message: eat for the body you want to keep, not just the one you see in the mirror. That one shift in mindset can change how we age, how we heal, and how we live. If you're over 60 and you've been wondering why your hands tingle or your legs feel like jelly, now you know where to start. Don't wait for a diagnosis to take action. Start with what's on your plate. And if you've made it this far, please leave us a comment and let us know which of these foods you're most excited to try. It lets us know you're committed to taking charge of your health. Make sure to hit subscribe so you never miss an episode. Until next time, stay well, stay curious, and keep making smart choices here on the Senior Health Podcast.